How to create an account in TikTok Symphony Creative Studio. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for TikTok Symphony Creative Center. Now, go ahead and tap on the very first link you see there and you will be led to the Symphony Creative Studio. So, you can tap on the Get Started button you see there, or you can also tap on the Login button you see there. Further, go ahead and log yourself in. You can log in using your email and your password if you already have a business account. If not, then you can also simply sign up for a business account. Now, once you are done logging in, you will be led to the official webpage of Symphony Creative Studio, and in here you will be able to make a bunch of videos from your text prompts, images, product information, and AI avatars. It is basically designed to create TikTok optimized content for both organic posts and advertisements. So this was about how you can create an account in TikTok Symphony Creative Studio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.